That's a fear, right? And honestly, that's why most people would rather write every LinkedIn comment by hand than let a bot that doesn't read a post write them a punchline. But here's the thing. You can't skip the warm-up. You just need it to sound like you, not like an autoresponder. Generic comments create activity. AI comments create the real warm-up. So we built AI comments in Linked Helper. Before writing a single comment, it reads a post, it reads a profile page of a person who wrote a post, and it picks up the context. A powerful tool for your campaigns to create unique context-aware comments for every single post of every lead that you want to reach out to. You shape it in 4 fields: tone of voice, length, goal, and language. You set the strategy and AI does the rest. First, the goal. You write what you want the comment to do. Ask a smart question, add expert context, agree and expand, politely challenge, whatever fits your outreach. Second, language. If your audience isn't in English, neither should your comment be. Third, length. Short one-liners for quick presence, medium and long for a real point of view. And fourth, tone of voice. Friendly, professional, or casual, so it always sounds just like you. And it's not just a standalone tool. AI-generated comments is a step inside your workflow. Auto-like a post, drop a smart AI comment. Wait a day to let your leads notice your efforts, notice your profile. Send an AI personalized invite. Send a follow-up. And with auto-collect and ICP detection, only relevant new leads will keep flowing in on their own. Open your next Linked Helper campaign and switch the comment mode to AI-generated. AI credits are already in your plan, and you can top up whenever you want to scale. Happy automating, and see you in the comments.